Good morning, children. This is Shubhal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter uh, factors and multiples, and we are over with the exercise 3.5. So here in this video, we are gonna discuss about some very important concept of this chapter, that is of HCF. So before we start the exercise 3.6, I want you to make know the things. I want you to understand what is HCF. Children, the full form of HCF is highest common highest common factor. Okay. Suppose, children, I'm choosing two numbers, random numbers I'm taking. One is 6, other one is 8. 6 and 8, two different numbers. They have individual factors. The factors of 6 is 1, then 2, then 3, then 6 itself. These numbers are the factors of 6. Suppose the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, then 4, then 8 itself. Children, here we can see the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. So which numbers are common? Common in the sense which numbers are in both the factors list. Of course, one can be seen. 1 is present in both of these factors list. 2 is also there in both of these factors list. So means 1 and 2 both are there in the factors list. 3 is here, but there is no 3. Here is 6 and there is no 6. So these numbers are not common. So 1 and 2 are the common factors present in 6 and 8. Among 1 and 2, which one is greater, children? The greatest number is 2 among these two numbers. So 2 is the highest factor or a greatest factor of 6 and 8. So 2 is the HCF. HCF means the largest number. The largest number divides any two numbers or any three numbers. As many numbers we will be given, we will talk about that. So HCF means the highest number divides a group of numbers or two numbers, whatever. So here is 2 is the largest number, divides 6 and 8. So children, I believe it's a bit clear to everyone. Now we are going to find out the HCF of some following numbers. Let us calculate. Let us calculate the HCF of these following numbers. 18 and 48. Children, we have two different ways to calculate HCF. One process is called division method. Division method has not been introduced here in this chapter. It will come later. You will come to know about that. That is HCF. So here we will use the prime factorization process to find out HCF of the following numbers. So what are those numbers, children? One is 18 and other one is 48. Let us find out. Let us find out prime factorization of 18. Okay. So 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So what I'm going to write, children? 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. This 2 3 3 I got from prime factorization. Next number is 48. So I'm gonna find out prime factorization of 48. 2 2s are 4, 24 2s are 48. 2 12s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. So 48 is equal to, I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, children. Now it's time to make the pairs of common numbers. Here is one pair of 2. I'll write 2. Here is a pair of 3. I'll write into 3. Now this 3 and these 2, they are not coming under any pairs, so I cannot take them obviously. So 2 into 3 results 6. So 6 is the HCF of 18 and 48, means 6 divides 18 and 48 both. So 6 is the highest common factor. So I believe it's clear to everyone. So let us try one more sum from here, children. It will make you more clear with this concept. The question is number B, 30 and 42. I'm going to find prime factorization of 30. So 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15. So I'm going to write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, children. Now 42 using similar way. 42, 2 2s are 4, 2 21s are 42, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so what I'm going to write over here, 2 into 3 into 7. Now it's time to make pairs. Here is a pair of 2, as we all can see. Here is a pair of 3, as we all can see. So we can write HCF of these two number is 2 into 3. Answer is 6. The answer of this question is also 6. 6 is the largest number, divides 30 and 42 both. So I believe it's clear. You will try out all the questions of this number, question number 1, and you will submit in the Google Classroom. If there is any doubts and confusions, let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye-bye. Take care, everyone.